Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing with some noise putty. As you can see, I drew a picture of noise putty up here. And let me open this thing. This bad boy open fast. It farted when I pulled it out. Oh, and I hid something in it. I'm pulling it out. It's a hot dog. A hot dog, a hot dog. I'm gonna put this here so she can have a piece. But this putty actually makes noise. If you guys haven't found out, it makes noise. You can squish it. I'm not having much luck, but I hope you guys can hear it on this. So I'm gonna stick it here. And it's gonna make noise. It makes noise. I love it so much. Isn't it great? So guys, if you ball it up, stick it in there, it can kind of makes almost like a fart sound. It's pretty quiet though. Oh, sometimes you get it really loud. That's so much fun. Now this girl's gonna come out here. Now I'm gonna flatten my putty. Putty, putty, putty. Putty, putty, putty. Ah! Give me that golden cup! Oh. Well, that was a failure. Well, now she can have a cape. I was gonna throw this on him. Now she's got a jacket on this thing. That's pretty cute. But let's take that off of her, and I think we're just gonna scoot her out of camera. But like, you seriously, guys, can... Oh, sorry, gonna be in the way. Ah, the camera's falling over. Let's put this back up for you guys. You guys can all see this beautiful lady. I love her. She's now Lego Friends Lego set. But you can wrap it all around her. Oops, her hair is falling off, you know what? Yes, I just did that. Take it off and it feels off real easy. Got none of it in there. It's all right here. Put her hair back on. It's not in here either. I'm so excited. I love noise putty though. So guys, before I leave you all, I'm just going to do one last thing. Oh, it's not a big one, but that's okay. Ball it up. All right, bye guys.